All right. Next question is okay. Okay. Next question is how can I create a CV to apply for crypto jobs? Or is it normal CV graduates use in searching for jobs? Can I talk about how I can create and sell an NFT? Give the technical analysis. Well, Balogun. Okay, for that question, we have a video on our YouTube channel that explained vividly to the last detail how to create a CV to apply for crypto jobs. And if you want more in-depth training, you can take we have two versions of our courses, the high ticket one and the low ticket one. So if you can't afford the high ticket one, that's the 14,900 one, you go for the one of 9,000 naira. At least those ones, each of them will teach you how to go about this with templates. Well, I have a template I can give you if you're interested to help you, tell you how to fix up your CV. No, you don't just do a normal CV. Normal CV graduates do is very ridiculous. I've seen normal CV that graduates, Nigerian graduates do submit. They even put their age and put their village inside there. I've seen it, and it's not what works. It's about, like I always say, it's about your experience. It's about what you can bring to the table. It's not about where you're coming from. So, and this day itself, it's even advisable to have your LinkedIn link inside there. So it's so how can you talk about how I can create and sell an NFT? Now, I'm sure you must have been watching a lot of videos on how you can make a lot of money inside NFT. Making money out of NFT is work, actually, because there's what we call NFT marketing. If you don't know how to do digital marketing, if you don't know how to even market yourself at this point, if you don't know how to be a social media person, like when some people say I'm not a social media person, they are not ready to make money from NFT. Truthfully, it's not by luck, right? Of course, most of the times look as if it's by luck for some persons. So for now, NFT is like a very dicey situation, right? So many persons have been committing to joining Discord channels, flipping NFTs to just know what's going to work for them and all of that. Just know it is to work. There's no easy way to making money from NFTs. Ask everybody. There are tons of videos on YouTube about it, but when you start doing the process yourself, you realize that this is more than it was actually more than you saw on YouTube. Of course, they won't show you the months in between, or the marketing that went into it, or the Twitter efforts, or the community that was built around it. So when you browse Google NFT marketing, you will know that nothing good comes easy. Somebody said they made $100,000 from NFT. Check out, that person has a strong social media presence. That person has some sort of community. That person has some sort of influence. There was something that the person leveraged to market and make that money. So nothing is easy. And then for technical analysis question, we have a course on our website on technical analysis. We have a couple of okay, Balogun, I'm just answering your question, so you can go refer to this video on the YouTube when I upload it on the YouTube, so you can see answers to your question. So we have a couple of videos on our YouTube channel that talks about things like your candlesticks and a couple of things on technical analysis, right? Technical analysis is not my forte. Fundamental analysis is more of my forte. So but we have a course on technical analysis. One of our facilitators in Valucop created a course on technical analysis. So you can take the course on our website if you want an in-depth training on that. We're talking about in-depth training with lots of modules for you to go through and know how to analyze your market technically. So that should answer your question. For the resume part, just the video is on our YouTube channel already. Just watch it. If you follow it step by step, you should be able to create a crypto job CV. Do not submit, please do not submit a typical Nigerian graduate CV for any job role, because you won't get a response back. That's my humble advice to you. Okay, so I believe that answered your question, Aziz. I noticed you just joined back. Afiz, sorry, Balogun.